Hey guys, welcome to Techers Tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about Leonardo AI Image Prompt, Best Image Prompt Tutorial in Leonardo AI. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Leonardo AI is a versatile platform that employs artificial intelligence to bring image prompts to life. So it offers a creative playground for users seeking inspirations or artistic exploration. So users can input their image prompts, which can be anything from a written description to a basic sketch, and then choose from a variety of AI models to generate images based on these prompts. So the platform's AI models are capable of interpreting and visualizing these prompts, resulting in unique and often unexpected visual representations. Leonardo AI is a valuable tool for artists, writers, and creative thinkers who want to see their ideas materialize in the form of digital art. So as you can see, here are some photos that was generated by other users. It actually bridges the gap between imagination and creation, offering an exciting way to turn abstract concepts into tangible visuals. So whether you're a storyteller looking to illustrate a scene or simply want to see your ideas take shape, Leonardo AI is your gateway to transforming image prompts into captivating visual. To be able to get started on using this, you'll just need to head onto leonardo.ai or search this onto your local browser so that it be headed onto this platform as well. So you could create your next artwork with the power of Leonardo AI by clicking on Start Using Leonardo with no credit card needed. So simply click onto that, and then right after, once you've clicked onto that, you should be able to see this pop-up screen and note that you need to be whitelisted to be able to sign in. So if you aren't on the early access list, you need to register below using your first name and your email and click on to count me in. Now here onto the count me in option, once you have clicked onto that, you should be able to see different prompts that you need to do or answer. So there are some things as well that you need to follow Leonardo AI social, so you just need to complete all of that. And right after you're done with it, you'll just need to head back onto this platform and then click onto yes, I'm whitelisted. Now you'll be headed onto the login page where it gives you an option to continue with Apple, Google, Microsoft, or you could type in your email and your password. So if you have forgotten that, just simply click onto forgot your password, and then right after, you could just click onto sign in after filling these things. So if you need an account, simply click onto sign up, and also this is now available on iOS. So you could download this onto the App Store, and you could also see the privacy policy and terms of service in here. So let's choose an option to log in here, and personally what I'd like to do is just to continue using my Google account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, you should be able to see the different featured models that are available here on Leonardo AI. So we have here the Photoreal, Dream Shaper, 3D Animation Style, Anime Pastel Dream, version 5, Absolute Reality, and many more. So you could just choose onto the featured models in here to use as a reference onto your creation. So here onto the bottom part, the recent creation, you should be able to see the different things that were done by other users. So you can see their prompts in here and also their account name, and you could like this photo as well. So these could serve as your inspiration, or you could use this photo as a reference, or you could copy the prompt so that you could get some similar images as well. Now here onto the left side, you should be able to see the tokens that you have onto your account, and if you want more, you could just simply click onto upgrade. So as of the moment right now, we're currently using this free plan, but we also have the Princess, Artisan, and Maestro, wherein you could see their plan details also in here, so that you should be able to get more tokens onto your account. So you could just simply click onto the subscribe so that you should be able to try out those plans, and let's head back onto the dashboard. So you could also see the community feed in here, or just the recent creation that we've browsed to earlier, the personal feed, or your own generations in here. So it should be added in here, all of the generations that you did in the past. Also, you could see onto this part the followers feed if you have followed someone, and the liked feed or the liked photos that you have. So we also have training and data sets in here, or the different models that you have created. So yes, you're right. You could create your own models onto Leonardo AI, so you just need to train your own. You could add in some images and you could use it as a reference as well. Now we also have the fine tune models in here, wherein what we browsed also earlier. So we can also see the platform models or what we've seen earlier, and the community models made by other users, your own models, which you've made from the training and data sets, and your favorite models. Now for the user tools, we have the AI image generation, AI canvas, texture generation, and you can also see the settings in here, fact and help, and the logout button. So for us to be able to head onto the image prompt feature, we'll just need to head onto AI image generation. Now, right after that, you shall be redirected onto the AI image generation page, wherein it gives you an option to type a prompt. Also, you could choose the finds and models in here. So as of the moment, we're currently using the Dreamshaper version 7, but you could choose more in here. So you could try to click on to new one, such as this Leonardo diffusion. We also can choose different styles in here and add in a negative prompt or the things that you don't want to see onto the image. So you'll just need to simply type it in here, and you could also see here on the left side the tokens, the number of images, and also the different features in Leonardo, such as the photo reel, prompt magic, alchemy, public images, and the image dimension. So you could choose in here, or you could also customize your own or choose a ratio. We also have here the guidance scale, or how strongly your prompt is weighted. We also have the control net, which allows you to influence your generation with input images, and the telling, which is ideal for repeating textures or background. So we have here the image to image and the image prompt. So we'll use the image prompt feature in here, and you could upload or drag and drop an image to use it as an input. So I have here a photo. Now I'll just simply drag and drop it in here. So I actually got this photo from Free Pick. So if you have your own photo in here, you could just simply upload it in here so that we could use it as a reference. So as you can see, it is still currently uploading in here, and it has a new feature that has been added. So this is the image weight. So you could try to adjust this, since the higher value that you have onto this will make the output look more like the reference image. So if you lower the value, it adheres more to the text. So you should be able to adjust this as per your liking, so that you should be able to see the photo that you want to achieve. So I've gone ahead and added already the image prompt, and let's type a text prompt in here. So let's keep it simple and just add in here wizard cat, and using that photo as a reference. And also let's try to adjust this one in here, and the guidance scale as well. And let's try to click on to generate. As you can see, this will use 9 tokens, and let's see what it will give us. Now as you can see, here are the photos that it generated. So it actually looked like the reference that we have. However, it does not really depict a wizard looking one. So that is why it is really important to be really specific on what you want to see onto your text prompt. So let's try to add in something in here, like this one: majestic cat wizard casting a spell in a mystical forest, enchanting, magical, vibrant colors, realistic, intricate details. And let's try to see what it will give us, and let's try to click on the generate again. So before that, we'll also try to adjust some guidance scales in here and the image weight, and let's try to see what it will give us. So let's go ahead and click on generate again. And now as you can see, here are the different photos that it generated. So I kind of like this one more, since it provided more details and creativity onto the photo, because we've added some things onto the prompt. So if you like the photo, you'll just need to click onto the download image button in here. We also have the delete option, the copy, the unzoom, and remove background. So let's see the other photo. We have this one as well. So you could also download that one, and also you could try to play onto the settings in here with the image weight and the guidance scale, and then just keep on generating until you achieve what you want to see onto the photo. And there you have it. You've learned how to use the Leonardo AI image prompt feature. And if you have found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, just comment it down below. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you on to our next video.